Hey guys, welcome back. Now, for this lecture, I'm going to teach you guys how to put a reminder. Now, a reminder is great because when you're getting a lot of emails, sending them back and forth to potentially hundreds of people, if you're that busy, it's hard to keep track of when you need to follow up or when it's been a week or 2 weeks since you followed up with that person. Now, a good thing you can do in Outlook is create reminders. Now, what reminders do is they flag or they come up as alerts when it's time to do something. So, for example, let's say I got this email from this person. And what I want to do is I want to reply and say, "Hey, can you send me some more data or can you send me this file in 2 weeks?" Okay, that's your deadline. So what you can do is you can actually set a reminder for 2 weeks. The way to do that is we click on the email, then we want to click on this follow up button up here. We click on that and we click add reminder. Now what we want to do is we want to follow up, or you can write your own one of what you want to do. You can call, do not forward, response, reply, and so on. All right, or you can just type your own one. Check for more data. All right. Now what you want to do is set the period of your reminder. So we want to set it for 2 weeks. So we do 28th of December and we do 2 weeks. So we just click on the drop down and we click on the 4th of January. Then we set a reminder for when we want to be reminded. Okay, this is the alert. So let's say we set it midweek. So instead of doing it on the day itself, we do it a week before. So let's say the 4th, no, not the 4th. This one should be 11th. And we set this one to the 4th. So halfway through the 2 weeks, we can contact them and say, "Hey, is the data on its way? Are there any issues?" and so on. And we put the alert for a time. Let's say we do it for 9 in the morning. Like so. And we press OK. Now you're going to get a flag here, which shows that there's a reminder. Now, when a week goes by and you get that reminder, it's going to look something like this. All right. And it's going to say due in 1 more week and what it is, and you can actually double click it and see what the email is or what you sent to remind yourself that, oh, that's right, I was waiting for data. Okay, so that's how you set a reminder. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon.